Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is time for my Boxycharm by Ipsy July box. Here it is what it looks like. Kind of a big box. Not a lot of padded packing materials in here. A lot of things are really banging around in here. So we will see. Now I posted my choices. You get 5 full-size items in this, 2 of which they pick for you, and then you get 3 picks from a number of items. And honestly, my options for picking stuff I was not at all excited about. So there's not really anything that really thrills me in this box. And I don't believe I did any add-ons. After you do your choices, you have the opportunity to go into what they call their add-on shop. And what they'll do is whatever you buy, they'll put in this box so it's shipped for free, which is nice. So let's see what we got for July. Yeah, not a lot of padding material. Okay, at the bottom of the box is the little newspaper. This is what it looks like. It's all kind of smooshy. Boxycharm, passport to glow, vacay-worthy makeup, refreshing skincare, transportive scents, yada, yada, yada. There's a QR code that you can scan to see about the contents of your box, but if you've done your choices, you have a decent idea what's going on. A little bit of information in here. The Mega Drop Shop. I think that's going on right now, actually. A little information about behind the scenes for the month's theme. Mega Drop Shop is, yes, the 15th of July through the 28th of July, so check that out. Ipsy's Beauty and Creator Awards, blah, blah, blah. Sneak peek of the lineup for August. Okay, let's see if there's anything good. Amika, Buxom Cosmetics, Farah, Maquillage, and Vacation Ink. Honestly, nothing really looks all that exciting. The icon box for August is the Legends. It's John Legend putting together some items for the box, which is interesting. That'll be an interesting box to keep an eye on. So up on top here are the little sneak peeks for August, and then they talk about the John Legend icon box. All right, let's just get into stuff. All right, I picked these. They're Laruce. These are brushes. Because honestly, the choices that came along with this, none of them even looked remotely interesting. And honestly, you guys, I like Laruce brushes. It's kind of cool. It comes in a little brush caddy, little holder here. And yeah, nothing exciting. Just some you know, eye brushes. I like they're individually wrapped with, you know, they have a little bit of plastic on them. But I like Laruce brushes. So that'll be nice. That's going to go in y'all's giveaway collection. I have a bunch of Laruce brushes already, so they're kind of the same as this. So there's no reason for me to keep them. But honestly, y'all, I'm not kidding. Like, the choices, I say it every month. I'm kind of disappointed. I mean, I'm sure for $30 a month, they can't, like, give you 5 amazing full-size items, but I don't know. They got to find other things, right? Okay, but I do like Laruce brushes. All right, what do we got here? This is, I think it says, I can't even read it. It's white on white. That's great. Well Put Eye Primer. I believe it said Well Put. It says Well Put Eye Primer is a creamy rose-infused formula. Rose, great. It's going to smell like roses. Melts away on your eyelid upon blending, creating an even base for cream-free eyeshadow coverage that's more vibrant and longer lasting. Okay. Talking out of the side of my mouth. Ooh, and I'm throwing it. Okay, here's what it looks like. I do see the little leaping bunny symbol. We're pretty much seeing that on a lot of cosmetics. You would hope so. Prefer it to be cruelty-free. Let's see what it looks like. Typical top. So, I don't know. I don't smell anything. Okay. I'm always up for trying a different eye primer. I go through a few different ones, and I found a couple I like, so that's good. Okay, what's this? This thing's like a lipstick. Anastasia Beverly Hills Satin Lipstick And the shade is soft brown. So Anastasia Beverly Hills looks like that. There's the shade. I believe I did pick this because I thought it was a pretty shade. It's a bullet lipstick. So it says it is a satin lipstick. I, of course, have a lip gloss on right now. Come on. There's what it looks like. Pretty basic. Yep, a nice kind of soft brown color. Very nude or neutral. That's pretty. I don't mind that. I have a lot of lip products. In fact, I just was cleaning out how many lip products I'd taken to my office, and I realized I had like 30 different lip products at the office, and I was like, this is ridiculous. I brought them home. And then I realized how many lip products I have at home, and I was like, probably like 65, 70, 80 lip products. Okay, this one is Gold Faden MD's Problem the Problem for Dry and Aging Skin. This is their Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. 2 ounces. This is what it looks like. Hopefully it's able to focus on that. Nice safety seal. Very much like seeing that, so it won't go bad on you right away. See the leaping bunny. Looks nice. So it's a facial treatment. I'm assuming it's just a mask you put on your face at night. Apply on cleansed skin to face and neck and décolleté with a gentle upward motion. For optimal results, use nightly. So that'll be nice. Nice face cream to try. Okay, last product. It's the end of the box. Oops, look at that. Get rid of that. Here is the supposed amazing thing that you get in the box. It is the Laura Geller eyeshadow palette. This is the Wildflower Wishes 14 multi-finish eyeshadows. So this is the nice part of the box. This was picked for me by Ipsy, so I think this is going to be in a lot of boxes. Shades are very pretty, like fall tones. Pretty, 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 pretty. Let's take a look. So there is a safety like sticker on each end. I'm going to have to cut it. Oh, come on. See if we can get her to open. This looks like a very pretty palette. There's what it looks like. We'll see if it survived banging around in the box. It did. There's a little mirror on it. And of course you have the shade saver, which appears to be stuck on there. So I'm going to leave it on, although you'll get a little reflection. Very pretty, like very fall tones, very neutral fall tones, oranges, browns, yellows, greens. That's a very nice, pretty palette. I will tell you, it says on the back of the palette, it is made in China. So this is made in China. Very, very pretty. Let's see what it says. Anything interesting? Get swept away with these stunning shades. A gorgeous eyeshadow palette features 14 crease-proof shades in velvety matte and shimmering suede finishes. With a wardrobe of gorgeous, versatile hues, this palette is perfect for everyday wear, no matter what time of year. To create neutral or bold eyeshadow looks for any occasion. Nice. From Miss Laura Geller, again, made in China. We all know the best makeup comes out of Italy, but it's expensive, so... All right, so that I thought was the best part of the box. What y'all think? $30 shipped to your door. You saw how it comes in a big old box with not a lot of packing material. This is nice that it actually came in a little bubble wrap. I'll give them that. I don't think this is too bad to get in a a $30 box. I don't need any more lipstick, but I love me some lipstick, so that's cool. The primer, I've decided I'm going to try the primer, because why not, right? And then these are nice brushes. I like Laruce brushes, but I already have a set of these, so these are going to go in y'all's giveaway collection for a future giveaway. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, you guys. I really appreciate your time so much. I still want to know, what do you think of the Boxycharm by Ipsy now that it's been a while since Ipsy took over Boxycharm? The Mega Drop Shop is going on right now. You do have access to that. It's a couple of weeks only here in July. It's quarterly. So next month, August, the Icon box is coming on, John Legend. So if you're interested in that, you would want to go in and grab that right now. Get signed up for it. But yeah, I mean, is it a great month? No. Is it an awful month? No. I mean, I like the palette. I don't think I'll keep it. I like the lipstick. I'm on the fence whether I'll keep it because I have so much lipstick. Primer I'm going to use for sure. The McFadden MD I'm going to or Goldfadden MD I'm going to use. So could be worse, right? You know, if I was just starting off and didn't have a lot of makeup and stuff, I'd be thrilled. I would. So that is a positive on this, right? So, okay, guys, let me know your thoughts, like I said, down below. Appreciate your time. Can you just verify that you are subscribed? And if you're new here, would love it if you join my channel. Hit that little subscription button down there and click the bell to get turned on all the notifications for when I drop a new video. Okay, guys, have a great one. I'll see you on my next video, okay? Bye, everybody.